What's this? 3D printed metal? What the? Hello, today I'm using a specialized filament made of copper. Hope you enjoy the time lapse. Okay, this is copper fill from ColorFab. It's made from real copper and PLA filament. At the moment I'm struggling to remove the actual object from the build plate. It did take me a while, but as you can see there's loads of stringy on the actual object. So if we just remove it, just scrape it off with a little knife and the supports. Once it's completed you need to sand it down with some either steel wool or some sandpaper to give it a nice shiny effect. Okay, right now I'm printing off the flame, which is orange PLA plastic. Okay, this is the smoke, which was actually generated through a smoke simulator. This is, as I said, white ABS plastic. I have used ABS PLA and bronze fill today, so make sure you subscribe and comment below. Okay, so I joined the three pieces together, the smoke, flame and the rocket. As you can see, the rocket I've done some sanding with the steel wool. Just sand it a bit. It's not as shiny and there's some white bits. I don't know if this is oxidation. But anyway, it looks much better, a more authentic look. And when you tap it on some glass, it actually gives it a metal feel to it, which is actually amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching.